Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Tesla wall connector. This thing is awesome. I'm going to tell you my favorite thing about it in just a minute, but just real quick, things you should know. Its cord is about 24 feet long. It connects to Wi-Fi. It can charge your car at 44 miles per hour, which is pretty sweet. That is really fast. And it does so at 11.5 kilowatts at a 48 amp output. So, you guys, this thing is really powerful. It charges your car very fast and very conveniently. The car auto senses the plug when you plug it in, so it opens up the charging port, ready to go as well. Now, my favorite thing, like I said, is the fact that it does have the Wi-Fi compatibility as well as the how fast it charges. But you can keep track of everything from your phone. You can set hours. You can do all that kind of stuff with this thing, and the fact that it charges 44 miles an hour, guys, that's just incredible, especially for a home charger. It just keeps the car charged all the time. It's perfect, and I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.